By 2040, a staggering 95% of all purchases will happen online. The real question is, will your business be ready for the e-commerce revolution? Here's the hard truth. Just having a web store isn't enough. Customers today demand speed, ease, and options. They expect seamless mobile experiences, lightning-fast checkouts, and payment options like Apple Pay and PayPal. If your e-commerce store doesn't deliver, customers will leave, and your competitors will cash in. That's where MarketinGear comes in. We build online stores designed to convert. From mobile-friendly designs to payment solutions your customers trust, we tailor every detail to your business's unique needs. We don't just create e-commerce websites. We create shopping experiences your customers will love. From stunning design to a frictionless checkout process, we deliver e-commerce solutions that delight your customers and drive real results for your business. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about having a store, it's about having a store that sells. Don't miss out on the e-commerce revolution. Partner with MarketinGear to create a web store your customers love. Let's build something remarkable and grow together. Contact us to schedule your free e-commerce consultation today.